Good day, everyone. Okay, so the link is discord.com. I will share the link in the group. All right, so once you click the link, it brings you here. Okay, you have this in the website basically. So in the top right corner, you see this login button. You can click it for logging in. Now, basically, I'll then click register. If I have an existing account before, then I'll just log in. But since I don't, I'll click register. Register button is right here. Register. So this is the register form. So we'll basically register an account right now for PHA. Okay, username. So basically usernames are like your nicknames. Like you have, if your real name is Precious, your nickname can be Preci, and so that's just what username is. So whatever username you want to use. Okay, password. Let's just go with suggested password. Date of birth. It's not compulsory you put your exact dates, but ensure that it's past like 18 years or so. So I'll just keep a random year, like 1999. Yeah. Okay, then continue. Cool. Then after you create the account, you have this captcha to verify whether you're a human or not. And brings you a prompt. Your own prompt might be different from mine. So here is to click containing a rabbit swimming in water. Swimming in water. So this, verify. Cool. So it's taking me straight into Discord. Now I need to verify something. Verification required. We've detected something. So just verify. Please check your email. Okay. Okay, so you have to now go to your email. Yeah, you need to go to your email to check for the link. So what I'll do now is go to my email. You need to verify your account basically, like when you sign up in any platform. So go into the email to verify. So you can do this on your phone, you can do this on the browser. As we can see, I'm using the browser in this case. Okay, welcome to Discord. Yeah. Oh no, this is not the mail. The other mail. Okay, you see the verify email address. So this is it. So click the verify email in your inbox. It's loading. Yeah. Then you have to do another captcha. Discord, they are really crazy on this captcha just to ensure you're not a bot. So this time, rabbit in grass. Yeah. Rabbit. Yeah. Verify. Cool. Then continue to Discord. Nope. Okay. So now what happened is, because I have the Discord app on my PC, it's trying to redirect me there, but I'm going straight here. Cool. So you might need to enter your mail, your number, which is this. So that's why I said if you created Discord account before, just go ahead and try and sign in than creating a new account. So what we're trying to do here is to verify with your phone number. So Let's quickly do the capture. Okay, so they will send a code. Yeah, go down to my phone. Okay, 280-473. Yeah, then you need to put a password. Then let's put here, confirm with your password. So here is the Discord interface. Here's the Discord interface. Okay, so after you get to this stage, all this is just showing you like Discord trying to show you different things inside the server. So you just come back to the link I posted earlier, which is this one. So I'll just click it. It takes me straight in. Yeah, so this is what will happen. So accept invite. Stop redirecting me. Continue. So after I accept, yeah, so come back, it will be like this. So here is our own this PHA server basically. So there are different channels. You first of all come to the rules and frequently asked questions to read up on the rules and all that. Okay, so the general chat, this is like where we have you can do your different discussions and all that. For admins, there is an admin channel, but you won't see it here until you are made an admin. So let me basically try and make this account an admin to see what happens. So trying to use my other device to make this account an admin. But we have a audio channel. This is audio. When you join an audio, like this is always on for lo-fi beats. We have this cafe, what kind gist. So this is like for voice activities, video activities and all that. Then we have the announcement channel. Whenever announcements are made, there are no announcements yet about page, we've not put it there. Now this okay, where's the channel? Yeah, help forum. So basically when you have a question, when you have like an issue or a suggestion, server suggestion and all that, you come here, you make a post, and then you can have a tag with it and all that, and then people will come here and under the thread to help you solve that problem basically. So there'll be more like tutorials on that later, but these are basically the channels as a person, as a foreigner that just joined. So as an admin, okay, let me check you right now. Picture. So I just added, yeah, this account as an admin. So here you go. At the right side, let's go to the general chart. At the right side, you only see the people in this server. The bots are already categorized in their own section. Admin, because I made this account an admin, it's under admin section. So because you're an admin, you have the opportunity to see this section of PHA team. So basically this is where we'll be having a discussion. So this is like Victoria already. So this is where we have our discussion. There's a call channel there. If you want to have any call, share your screen and all that instead of using Google Meet. So if someone joins in, for instance, if I join in right now on other device, let's see, you should be able to show me. So, yeah. Yeah, so you can see I've joined the call, the admin call. So that's basically it about joining Discord. So try and create your account first of all.